Okay. This is where the fun part starts.
I'm like sitting in the light going, oh, it's like sparkly. It's got that, you can see the sugar, right? So I'm like pretty excited about
This
that.
is so good. Oh my gosh. This is just, it tastes like love. It tastes like love.
I just love it's like a crispy on the outside, but very nice and chewy and moist on the inside.
You can see the chocolate chips bulging from the top and in the back. You can also see the chocolate chips.
And I'm very fluent in cookies, so this is a really good option here.
And these are gluten free. I mean, I don't feel like I'm substituting, right?
It just tastes like a regular delicious cookie.
The whole cookie just melts, but like not in a sandy way.
Cookie,
I just got a big chunk of chocolate. I'm like, yay! Oh, that's so good.
It took me back to a time when my grandmother would bake cookies when I was a child.
I mean, this tastes like the best chocolate chip cookie I've ever had, so I'm very much enjoying this.